guys, today we are so excited to introduce to you our LASR exclusive Loungefly Disney mini dress mini backpack. This mini backpack features a nice Saffiano finish. It has Minnie's super cute bow and her dress in the front pocket. It has a front exterior pocket where you can put stuff in here, and the zipper pull is her gloves. Isn't that cute? This bag also has two side pockets, one here and one there. And it has a top handle, dual padded shoulder strap, adjustable, and it's fully lined interior in the main compartment with her red polka dots. Isn't that cute? So this mini dress, mini backpack is exclusive to LASR.com. If you have the Mickey suit mini backpack from before, this bag is a must-have for you because they are meant to be together. So make sure you shop at LASR.com for this special exclusive. Now, cheers!